Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with a black mirror design. This is the Choclick. It's a cool one, and we are gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of stuff. If you want me to keep bringing you these sort of goodies, yeah, that's all you have to do. Just click the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'm gonna keep doing these kind of like unboxing videos. This guy comes from Black Mirror Design, comes with this orange kind of like peli case. They have I have to say, like a kind of like a cheap feel. These flaps feel like they're gonna come off pretty soon, but it's nice. I mean, it's bright looking, it's cool. Also, Black Mirror Design for bigger items comes with these bigger boxes, but in this case, we only have this guy. So there's no need for like a huge box. And look at this. This is the Choclick. It's the Zirc version. It's nicely wrapped in this. It's not vacuum sealed. I guess at one point it was. But anyways, this is wrapped in this gold foil paper like a chocolate would be. And let's just open it up and see what is going on here, guys. This is interesting. It's nice. Let's see. Should we rip this or just should we keep it? I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it. Oh wow! Look at this, guys. This is really cool indeed. It feels like to be opening a chocolate bar. This is fantastic, and it's very well made, I have to say. So these are numbered, as you can see, 11 of 100. And it's a slider, so it slides up and down, and also slide to the side, but also can kind of like rotate because the tracks are not that deep. So you can just slide up and down, and it has, oh, so here you see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states vertically. Slide to the side. Oh, there's no state. So yeah. It's just 2 states to this, like 3 states horizontal and 5 vertical. Yeah, that's correct. So you're gonna see that, of course, the Zirc is gonna scratch a little bit. So this is brand new, and this is gonna scratch on the inside, but it's cool because this is what's supposed to do, and it's gonna be breaking in, and then it's going to be nicer and smoother than this. So that's really cool. So let's just quickly check how big this guy is. So it has a width of 1.3 inches and a height of 2.12 inches. And let's see the thickness of this guy. Let's say at this point is going to be 0.47 inches. So you can see that this guy, for example, this is EDC Lung Wu bulletproof. You can see it's smaller than the Black Mirror. That's the shield, also like also from EDC Lung. Really cool one. And let me show you some slider. That's the Mahjong right there, and let me show you like this guy, another Zirc goodness. This is the gamer clicker right there. This is not a slider; it's the Muji spinner, so you have it per reference. And let me show you just another couple of. This is a Zirc Unbury mid-size haptic coin, and let me show you how big is the bigger size. This is Mokutai. So you can actually appreciate the size difference. And what else can I show you? I'm gonna show you this Maki Amburi coin right there, which is pretty cool. And the Lauti Muji, that's the Rook. So you can see how big this guy is. So let's quickly check it out. You have 12 rectangles on this side with each one has like some lines on top, like engraved, and it's resembling perfectly like a chocolate bar. Really cool, nice grooves. Of course, it's nicely done. It's very flush when in the closed position. On the other side, you're gonna have the Black Mirror logo, and these 2 ridges to confer even more grippiness to the overall experience. which is really good. It looks fantastic. It looks really, really cool, guys. I mean, it's chocolate bar made in Zirc, which is sliding on magnets, on ball bearings, in a track. I mean, this is seriously a cool piece. It's a limited edition, 100 made. This is number 11. And you can see it's really good. It's bigger and thicker than the actual bulletproof shield, which I'm pretty used lately to carry in my pocket. So this is gonna feel a little bit heavier. Let me just check and give you also like a comparison. Let's see. This guy is 3.69 ounces. Whereas the same, this is like Zirc, same material from EDC Lung, this is the bulletproof shield, it's 1.94 ounces. So you have an idea. This is, yeah, it's heavier. It feels really good in the hand. It has a very, very nice grippy design. So you can't just... yeah, it's gonna slide, guys. This is grippy. Well, probably one of the most grippiest one, because they can be like smooth, too smooth. Like for example, in this case, it's really nice, but there's no traction on the outside. You can still play with it, but this one. Oh yeah, I mean, there's no mistakes you can do. So from the tactile point of view, I would say I prefer like this side because it's more regular and I can easily just like have it slide like that. Also on this side, but no, this is my favorite. And it's nicely chamfered all the way around and on the inside. And it feels really good in the hand. Like it's nicely skeletonized right there to reduce the weight, of course. Very, very cool. These tracks, they remind me like the Compoform, the Gravit Zappa has some similar tracks for the ball bearings, so you can just slide them in this like these two directions here, you know, vertical and horizontal. And from the sound department also, it's really interesting because you can of course be quiet with all these fidget toys. I mean, this is not completely silent if you slide it, but it's unobtrusive. Or you can be louder, of course, and have it just clack like that. But, for example, it's not as loud as the slider if you let it just click loudly. It's muffled. I'm assuming because of these pockets on the inside, they might be trapping the air. That's very interesting. It's a nice sound for sure. It's clicky. It's chocolatey. It's looking good. It feels great in the hand, guys, and it has a very, very cool sound. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.